In this lesson, I will explain to you question number 4 of exercise 3.7. And question we have, find the area bounded by cos of x from x is equal to minus pi by 2 to x is equal to pi by 2. So function we have in this case cos of x, we have to integrate cos of x, and the limits are negative pi by 2 to positive pi by 2, and pi equals to 180 degrees. So it will be negative 90 to positive 90. First of all, I will explain to you with the help of mathematics, and then I will prove it with the help of graph. So you can see what is the meaning of area bounded by cos of x. So see, we have to find out area. Area is equal to limit x is equal to a to x is equal to b. These are the limits. This is the lower limit, and always keep in mind you have to write down lower limit here and upper limit is here, and y dx. So our function is, in this case, y is cos of x, and our lower limit is negative pi by 2 and upper limit is positive pi by 2. Now we can start integration, and integration of cos of x is very simple. It is equal to sine x. X is equal to minus pi by 2. Here x is equal to positive pi by 2. Now we are going to apply these limits. Instead of this x, this is the theta, this is the angle. So it will be sine of pi by 2 negative sine, lower limit is c, minus pi by 2, minus pi by 2. So here I will show you that if we have sine of minus theta, see this is the angle in negative, so which is equal to minus sine of theta. So same rule will apply here. It is sine of pi by 2, and see this is sine of theta. So I said it is equal to minus sine theta. So this minus and this minus will be positive, and it is sine of pi by 2. So this is sine pi by 2, this is sine pi by 2. So it means it is 2 sine pi by 2. And sine pi by 2 means sine of 90, which is equal to 1. So 2 unit square, whatever is the requirement. If it is centimeter, meter, millimeter, you have to write down the whatever is, but here we do not have, so we will write down 2 unit square because we measure the area in square. So this is the required answer, but I have to explain the meaning. Find the area bounded by cos of x from this to this limit. I will solve it on the graph. So our function is y is equal to cos of x. First of all, I say, okay, x is equal to minus 270 degree, 270, right? And minus 270, you can write down negative 3 pi by 2. Both are same. So our x axis, our first angle is minus 270 degree. Put this in y is equal to cos of minus 270 degree, which is equal to 0. So our coordinate, y coordinate is 0. Now we will put x is equal to minus 180 degree, or minus 180 degree we can write down, it is minus pi. Both are same. So our x coordinate is minus pi or 180, and cos of minus 180, which is equal to minus 1. So our y coordinate is minus 1. Now put x is equal to negative 90 degree, right? Or we can write down minus pi by 2. So 90 is fine, 90 degree. So what about cos of minus 90 degree, which is equal to 0. So it is 0. Now put x is equal to 0 in radian. X is equal to 0. So cos of 90 degree is also 0. So both are 0. Sorry, cos of 90, this one is 1. So it will be 0 and 1. Now we will put x is equal to 90 degree, positive 90 degree, or pi by 2, 90 is fine. So cos of 90 is 0. So this is 90 and this is 0. If I say x is equal to 180 degree, so cos of 180 equal to minus 1. So it will be 180 and minus 1. Now put x is equal to 270. So cos of 270 degree, which is equal to 0. So it is 270 and 0. Minus 1, 180, this is okay. Now we will put these values on the graph. So first is minus 270 degree on x-axis and then y is 0. So see, minus 270 and y is 0, we will get this point. Okay, then minus 180 and minus 1. So minus 180 on the x-axis. Okay, suppose this is minus 1, this is minus 2, this is minus 3. So this one is 80 and then this one. We will get 1 point here. This one. Move on to the third, 90 and 0. So positive 90 and 0. Y-axis is 0, this. Similarly, you have to mark all these points, which I have already done for you. Then join all these points, we will get this type of graph. So find the area bounded by function cos of x, and the limit is minus pi by 2, which means minus 90, and this is positive 90. So see, minus 90 is here, positive 90 is here. So this area, actually you have to find out this area. This is the limit, and the area we have calculated for this 2 unit square. So actually this area you have to find out. So find the area bounded by cos of x from limit minus pi by 2 to positive pi by 2. I hope the question is clear. If still any point is not clear, you can ask me. Subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.